Welcome. Today's power statement is a very important one. I have been sharing these power statements with you from past so many months, and whatsoever I get special, I always try to share it with my, you know, audience, with my people, those who are, following my channel. And these power statements, they play a very crucial role in order to make your life, a better life. So today's power statement is, it's related to all the professions. जैसे मैं पहले भी कहता हूँ कि जो भी मेरी पावर स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, they are related to all the professions. Whether you are an employee, whether you are a student, anywhere you are working, it is going to work. In life, either you can be a player or you can be a spectator. The choice is yours. But in the end, rewards are going to be different. Either you can be a player or you can be a spectator. The choice is yours. But the rewards are going to be different. Have you ever seen, in the game of cricket, जहाँ पे बीच में प्लेयर्स खेल रहे होते हैं, एंड अराउंड द फील्ड सारे जो स्पेक्टेटर्स हैं, दे कीप हुटिंग, दे कीप बूइंग. कभी किसी स्पेक्टेटर को बुला के कहा गया है कि योर हुटिंग परफॉर्मेंस, योर बूइंग परफॉर्मेंस इज़ द बेस्ट एंड टेक अ अवार्ड फ्रॉम अस? नेवर, नेवर. What does it mean? It means that in order to get rewards, in order to get benefited, you have to become players. आपने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, लोगों को हम कहते हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं, see dreams. But seeing dreams is okay. But we never tell them how to fulfill those dreams. अगर आप सिर्फ ड्रीम्स ही देखते रहेंगे, ग्लोरियस ड्रीम्स, बड़े बड़े ड्रीम्स, you can never fulfill them. You have to leave the spectator's seat and become a player. The hardest get the largest. जो hardest काम करता है, हमेशा उसी को ही largest मिलता है. Now this is life. If you want to fulfill your dreams, you have to enter the arena. You have to enter the compound. You have to play the game. Rather than becoming a spectator only in a comfort zone, not doing anything, just watching, seeing those dreams. और उन्हीं ड्रीम्स को देख देख के आप खुश होते रहते हैं. मेरी ऑब्जर्वेशन ये है, either you can become a player or a spectator. Friends, if you do something hard, your life will be easy. And if you do something easy, your life will be hard. Whenever I prepare these power statements, मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा एक ही बात चल रही होती है, how these power statements are going to benefit people's life. I'm not making it, to collect the number of subscribers and, sharing and liking my videos. I'm not, doing this for those accolades. I'm doing it for the sake of people's life. अगर मेरे पावर स्टेटमेंट्स सुन के समझ के आपकी लाइफ बेटर बनती है, there is no harm doing it. So friends, always remember, if you have to fulfill your goals, if you have to fulfill your dreams, आपको मुंह छोड़ना पड़ेगा स्पेक्टेटर सीट का. You have to enter the arena and play the game. It's easy to become a spectator. Buy the ticket, sit and keep watching the game. Outcome is nothing, only experience. But once you'll decide to become a player, always rewards are going to be different. This is what my learning of the day is. I do wish to share that with you always. So, if you are liking my power statements, keep changing your life on that basis. And if you wish, you can press the like button, you can share them, and you can subscribe them. Thank you very much. Be a player, not a spectator.